was one of the out of the Lambrecht collection dealership in Pierce, Nebraska. And in 2013, they had an auction. The guy that owned the dealership would never sell used cars. So if you had a used car, he'd take it in and park it in the field and never sell it. And at the end of the year, if he had cars that hadn't sold, well, they're no longer a new car either, so he would put those in a field and never sell them either. So there was a national news story on it, and I seen it on the national news. Went back and found the auction company and started doing the preview. And I actually didn't go to the sale. I bid online and had it shipped out. I knew what I was getting into. I knew it was going to be rusty and I knew it was going to need a lot. So when I first got it, I didn't know exactly on direction, of how I should restore it. And I had a friend of mine, he's like, you need to go back original with everything. And it was, mostly just a lot of time and labor and effort. So the parts I replaced, I put OEM everywhere I could, and finding those was super difficult. I enjoy this as a hobby. So I enjoy getting home from work and going out, creating something that people enjoy.